Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to remove face acne in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, duplicate the layer 2 times by pressing Ctrl J and rename it with 1 and 2 and turn off the layer 1 and select layer 2 and press Ctrl I to invert and change that blend mode to vivid light. After that, go to filter, other, high pass and increase the high pass pixels until you show skin smoothness and hit OK. Now turn on the first layer and go to filter, noise, add median and add 60 pixels median. Again go to filter, noise, this time select add noise and add noise as per your need. I'm going with 16.19. Now select both layers and press Ctrl G to group and add a invert layer mask. For that, hold Alt and click on layer mask. Now take a soft round brush and reduce the opacity and flow as per your need and brush with white to brush over the acne part. And see, here is the before and here is the after. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.